My goodness, it is a big, beautiful home you have
Thank
here.
you.
Really very open, and these slides just make a world of difference.
Oh, it does.
So tell us about your trailer.
It is a 29-foot Forest River Sonoma travel trailer, 2017, and
It's enormous. It is. It just really is enormous.
And it's good for us. I know this would probably be small for some people, but I've done a lot of organizing, and it's working for us. I'm very happy with the fact that we've been able to downsize and we don't have too much going on, not too much clutter.
No, yeah, you have almost no clutter.
No.
It's one of the most clutter-free rigs I've ever been in.
Yeah, I'm pretty much a minimalist, and we did have quite a bit. When we first started out, we started out in Mesquite, Nevada, and we had our storage unit there. And I just decided we're going to stay there in Mesquite. We're going to live like this for a couple of weeks and see what we can get rid of, because I knew I was going to bring too much in. So it gave us a chance to, as we were living, I would keep taking it back to the storage unit, and then as we were taking it back to the storage unit, we were selling it. So that worked out well for us.
And you just really have got it down so the minimum amount of stuff, and it looks really open and inviting and friendly.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
You know, I'm actually kind of living the way we lived at home.
Right.
Again, part of the practice that we did. So it was easier for me to organize. There's just little things. The other thing too is keeping everything up, you know, things like this, instead of having it pencil cups and things on the counter, everything's up. And if I didn't have Velcro strips, I don't know what I would do. I mean, this place is held together with Velcro strips. So, you know, things like this, and you can put your cell phones in here. There's a place down here that your cord can come out and you can plug in. In my cabinets, I have my spices, also Velcro stripped. So it's, because I do a lot of cooking, so I have lots of spices.
Well, and you got a great big kitchen here to do a lot of cooking.
We do. I have, this is, I think, considered a lot of counter space for a travel trailer.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, full range and huge fridge.
It is. It is. This is working for us. Now, we do have also the Dometic for extra frozen foods. We've had that for, oh gosh, probably about 5 years. So very handy. It's especially now, you just don't know when you go to the stores if you're going to have enough, if you're going to be able to buy enough.
They're going to be
so
out.
I like having that opportunity to have extra food.
Right.
So some of the other things I've done is I have puck lights everywhere. I have puck lights in all of my cabinets. You cannot see anything in these cabinets. You lose things, then you end up buying too much. So every single cabinet has puck lights. Plus it saves from, we don't have to use the regular lights with the RV. So the puck lights, and then rechargeable batteries.
Mm-hmm. And you have a big solar system, I saw.
400 watts, and we'll be upgrading. We'll be getting more at some point.
Yeah, you can never have enough.
No.
Yeah. And that's a big slide.
It is, and it gives us lots of storage. We have storage underneath here. You pull up all the cushions and all of our winter clothes underneath there. So, I mean, this is a lot of storage underneath here, and you don't see it because it's under the cushions.
Right.
So. So, bedroom.
Yep.
And I have a washing machine that I carry with. That's a Panda. Washer and spinner.
That's a big plus.
It's been a game changer. I've had that for probably 6 years. I started using it in my house, and it worked great in the house. It's amazing how clean you get the clothes with just this simple little system. So that's been great. And then down underneath the bed here, I have all the...
nice organization there, yeah.
All the shoes stored. That's a big help.
And you probably do you have tanks under the bed?
No, storage. Just regular storage.
Uh-huh. And this is the bathroom there?
Bathroom. So again, I've done the...
bathroom.
And, more Velcro holding all of my containers up on my wall. and you put enough Velcro strips on there, it will hold. Those things have been up there for 3 years, and none of that stuff has ever moved. It's never fallen down.
Right.
So again, gives me extra storage.
And Randy, being tall, having, you know,
yes.
a lot of times a tall guy just can't fit in these showers.
Yes, this.
He can fit in that one, no problem.
Yes, and the curved glass, it makes all the difference.
Yeah. Yeah, that is a very nice bed.
Oh, and I have this one little thing if you want to. Just again with my Velcro.
Oh yeah.
So instead of buying separate little cubbies, I just put Velcro strips on the back of my eyeglasses and just Velcroed them to the door.
Yeah, that is. Yeah. Yeah.
If I have an open spot, I'm going to Velcro something there.
Right. Right.
So.
Very, very good.
And
beautiful home.
Thank you. Yeah, and everything's Velcroed down too. I mean, that way I'm not having to move things every single time we move. So this is Velcroed. This is not going anywhere. Mm-hmm. I have my cubby over here. And this again this is never going anywhere. This is Velcroed down. The things that I use the most, I just leave out. And these things just never move. It's one less thing I have to worry about when we're putting everything together and leaving. So
yeah, that makes breaking camp so much simpler.
Yes.
Rather than gather everything, put it in the sink or wherever you're throwing away, put it somewhere.
Yeah.
Well, maybe we'll have Randy show us around the outside.
Okay, sounds good.
So what we have here, well, we started out with a basic trailer, and over the past few years, it's 4 years old, and over the past 4 years, we've had to do some upgrades to make it livable. So we have on top, there's 3 solar panels on this side that are 100 watts each, and there's 1 solar panel on the other side of the AC unit, and that's 400 total watts up on the roof. And it's really nice because I just added the 4th panel up there just a couple weeks ago, and it really helps under cloudy skies.
Right.
It charges the batteries all the way up to 14, just shy of 14 under cloudy skies, and I was shocked. I was really happy that it went that high. So that carries us through the night because we have that additional freezer, that Dometic, and so that runs it through the night. We can charge our laptops, charge our phones, and we can get through the night, and we can even use the heater if it gets too cold. What we've also done is, I had an accident one year, so I did something dumb, and I had to add a new stabilizer in the back, and you'll see that it has the yellow struts instead of the black ones, and we've had to upgrade our brakes and our leaf springs, and I've had to put a bigger battery on the front. So there's just a lot of upgrading that I've done to make it more sustainable, I guess you would say, more livable. So we have a 200-pound battery on the tongue, and it's a sealed AGM, and I have the Goodyear tires on it that are the Endurance that really ride nice and give you good gas mileage too, believe it or not. And the truck, the tow vehicle, is an 02 Chevy pickup that I found. I was looking for this particular truck. It has the big block in it, the big 8.1 liter, and it has the Allison transmission. And I really wanted that Allison transmission because the transmission does its own braking. And there's not too many other transmissions that do that unless you have a big diesel pusher. And but this is a gas motor, and I just wasn't ready for a diesel yet. I wasn't, just couldn't bring myself to do it yet. I don't know enough about them, and just too skittish yet. So I was glad to find this, and it's in great condition, and that pulls this trailer no problem. Right. So I love the setup. I can get myself out of trouble with the length. It's not too long, and I'm just not ready to go to a 5th wheel yet.
And it's so big and open inside. It just feels like a home.
Doesn't it? Yeah.
It really does.
Yeah. That was that feeling when you walk in and you say, that's it. Yeah. I want that. We have run our business for the last 21 years that we just shut down and retired from, and we were together 24/7 then. Mm-hmm. And this, now it gives us a little time to ourselves. we had time to ourselves then, but this, we really work on, you know, she'll go for a walk and go out looking at rocks and trees and try to find some things, and then I'll go my direction. And but we're always within eye shot, you know, so you know, nobody gets in trouble. But yeah, you get your time apart, and
yeah, you still do, and you meet people in the campground, or maybe
Right.
you're camping with people, and he'll go out, and I'll be inside, and I'll be cleaning or cooking or whatever. So you still kind of, you know, you're not always together 24/7.
Well, the really fantastic thing about an RV for a couple is one of you can be in the living room, one of you can be
Yes.
in the bedroom. I mean,
Exactly.
you're physically separated.
Yeah,
That's right.
Yeah,
And that's important
it
sometimes.
is.
I mean,
Yeah.
not even in the sense of being angry and getting away, but just being alone.
oh yeah,
Have a long
absolutely.
time, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
A really valid thing.
Yep. So yeah, we like it a lot. It's working. It's working very well. It's working better than we thought.
Well,
Yes,
After 20
yes.
years of trips, it must be working pretty darn
Yes.
well. You're doing it full time.
Well,
now.
you know, and again, if it wasn't for you and your channel and all the other YouTubers that helped us out with how this really is living on the road, vlogging it and showing it as it's happening, and the troubles, the, you know, the mishaps, the accidents, and the good stuff that happens too, that's the whole reason we're out here.
Right.
I got to be honest.
I really think it helped a lot for us to practice this for the last, I mean, well,
Last
we really
3 years.
practiced the last 3 years.
Yes.
But even at home, just beginning to downsize and just starting to live a more minimalist lifestyle. And then, yeah, definitely the last 3 years with going out on the road, it just really helped that, that there was some problems that we already worked out. So it's,
Right.
I would say practice to someone.
And you have a YouTube channel where you try to help other new people.
Yes.
That's right. We just pass it
figure this
along.
out. So-
Passing along the knowledge.
Yeah. Tell us about your YouTube channel.
It's Eat, Travel, Happy, and we
started about 2 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't do much last year, and just because we weren't sure about getting out. And
but we have quite a few travel videos there.
we have about
and-
100 videos that we've uploaded, and I don't know if they're that great, but you know,
Actually, they're very good. I make them.
I'm my own worst critic. So
I find them very entertaining.
Yes.
And now they're going to start being more helpful because we want to start helping other people who are wanting to live this lifestyle. And now that we're going through it, I think we can give you some good advice. So
I think so too.
I hope so.
Well, Randy and Patty, thank you so much.
Thank you.
joining
Thank you, Bob.
us and sharing your home and your life with us. And go check out their channel. Tell us your channel again.
Eat, Travel, Happy.
There you go. Go check that out. Like, subscribe, and be inspired.
All right.
Thanks, folks.
Thank you.
Thank you.